Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas. And today I'm going to go over the 3 top reasons why you should have an attorney review and draft your will documents. There are so many different reasons, but today we're just going to cover the top 3. The first major reason to hire an experienced attorney is because wills can be customized. And if you go to an inexperienced attorney, they're not going to tell you that. They're not going to know how to do it. So let's say, for example, you want to donate your body to science. You can specify so in your will document. Let's say, for example, you have young children and you want to designate someone as a guardian in the event that you become incapacitated or unable to make a decision. You can do that as well. Also, let's say, for example, you have specific things that you want to leave on to certain members of your family. For example, you have a wedding ring that you want to pass on to a particular daughter or son. You can designate so by doing a specific request inside of your will. So again, if you don't hire an experienced attorney, you're not going to have all of these will options and you're not going to know about them either. The second major reason to use an experienced law firm such as ours is that we know what we're doing. So smaller, inexperienced attorneys, what they will do is that they will draft your will and then invite you to come sign the will. And this is not really good because it doesn't give you a chance to go over your will before the actual will signing ceremony. So if you have any questions about your will, it's going to be too late to ask them, especially when you are there just to sign the documents. At our office, what we do is that after I finish drafting a will, I record a video, I explain what's in the will, and then I send it over to my clients. This way my clients can go over the will, go over the video, and if they have any questions, they can ask me, and then I can make any changes to the will based on what they desire. So again, if you go with a more experienced attorney, you'll be able to go over your will before the actual will signing ceremony and ask questions where you don't understand and make any changes to your will before the actual date of the will signing ceremony. The third and final reason to hire an experienced attorney is that an experienced attorney will ensure that the will signing ceremony is done completely. The will signing ceremony is where the testator or the person making the will signs the documents before 2 disinterested witnesses and a public notary. And the mistake that I see most often is that a person will go to an attorney that's inexperienced. The inexperienced attorney will tell the person just to sign it, make sure there's 2 witnesses and a notary present, but they don't really explain why. So in Texas, if you don't sign your will at the same time as the witnesses and the public notary, the will is not enforceable and it's just a piece of paper. So make sure that if you hire an experienced attorney, they do this for you. They take a time to meet with you along with 2 disinterested witnesses and a public notary, and the will is signed at the same time by all of the parties involved. You can't sign one person one day, one person another day at different locations. It will make the will invalid and void. So again, if you go through an experienced attorney like our office, we will make sure that your will signing ceremony is done correctly. This way, it cannot be contested at the probate court. So hopefully after watching this video, you understand the importance of hiring an experienced law firm to help you draft your will. Again, thank you for watching Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen, and hope that we have made the law easier to understand.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David Nguyen.